please.
What's happening?
Sit down. Blake, sit down. I'm going to drive. Blake, sit down.
He's gone filming again.
Put your seatbelt on.
No, that's
Bro's lacking. Bro's lacking.
what did you say?
You look like me?
Bro.
Yes.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
this is actually crazy. Oh my god.
Let it happen, bro. Let it happen.
I'm helping you here.
I don't want it.
The master manipulator. Don't lie, boy. We know you like her.
She likes William. Did you not see on the week?
No.
What?
We know that.
I thought that was Emily.
Ooh, maybe, no. They both have boyfriends.
Not Oz. What the hell?
Take the backslash.
Get out.
Life expenses.
This is a perpetrator.
Fucking paid.
Get away.
I barely went in.
Help me! Why you keep touching me? This is evidence! Evidence!
What's that case? You almost got active.
Friendly fire, bro. Feet POV. Look how cute we are.
Day one of the interview. Today we're interviewing some people affected by the Aggie Blue.
These are the infected.
These are the infected people from the Aggie Blue. See?
Look at his feet.
How does the Aggie Blue affect you?
Look at all these tans, bro.
Do you get scratchy from the Aggie Blue? See, that one's inverbal.
No, we've actually got crazy tans on our feet, bro.
That one's non-verbal. How does the Aggie Blue...
Compare the tents.
Guys, the fucking sand's collapsing.
Look at his tan. It's not too bad. Let's see your tan.
Check out the tan. Guys, I'm selling this. Wave! Pull up your shorts. Pull up your shorts. No, you gotta pull it up more than that.
Oh, I just got more slack.
Like this. This is how you go the way.
We did jump a little bit.
Holy! Look at them. Skinwalkers. What are you doing? That's not me. I'm not filming.
Wait. Mute. Like, look naturally.
Hashtag no filter. He's trying.
Act tough.
That's crazy. Caught on cam.
Where the fuck?
At least Asher knows that you like. It's not Kobe's name, asshole.
No, wait. Watch this shot. Watch this shot.
Is this 2016? Where's 2016?
Is this a fire transition?
We should bring a cardboard box to Snowventure next time.
A what? A cardboard?
Wait, stay. We should have brought a ball.
Oh.
Dude, that's ball.
That's ball.
Are these guys tough?
Recorded, pal? You like being recorded?
Actually, I'm from the 10th century, not the 20th.
Oh, it's that guy.
Well, it wouldn't work, which is why the answer's no.
You probably have a lot of diseases.
Okay.
Now you look 60, you're aging like in an insane manner. It's like, holy shit. Do you know how to steal a catalytic converter?
What?
Do you know how to steal...
Look at these guys. Oh, did she just kick that ball? She's with some seagulls. Wait, I got a steady cam. Stop touching me. I'm steady camming.
Where's she actually? Oh, just tell the girls that it's chickens.
Okay.
Whoa. Is that Riz?
No, it's what is?
He's Vennies. Loki, she had like all those things that go on the.
It's okay. Help!
You got your legs wrapped around him, bro.
Just they're stuck under him.
Is he playing with your toes?
He was.
Oh, Zombie Land.
But your life does not. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
My God.
Recreate that.
But your life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Further out. Look at these guys. In front of each other. Getting absolutely splashed from behind. Who the hell? That's kind of aesthetic, low-key. I think Moto likes you. I like him chunky. Chunky. I like him big. I like him chunky. Chunky.
That's what I like.
I'm doing the I think Moto likes you.
Hey girl,
Behind you.
that's a chunky motherfucker.
Look at his little shorts, bro.
Can we talk about those cankles? Can we talk about those
Don't lick the
cankles?
monitor.
Can we talk about the cankles, please? Oh fuck!
Look at these guys. White shirts. Technology user.
This just came up in my memories.
Is that him?
Stop hitting me.
Oh, yes, so many. One or two?
Oh, come on, bro.
Can I please have a cup?
Ginger beer.
We have beer?
Why am I always the one that's behind? I already got one.
Wow, these chips look like they hit by a
I
car.
wouldn't be talking if I was you. Okay. You're the tiny one.
Wow.
You're the youngest.
It's like I'm really there.
Have you got a cup? Yeah.
Whoa, that is a lot of
brand
tomato
new.
sauce.
Damn! I just saw that whole thing.
Where is this, Sonny? Has it already gone
Yeah,
down?
come grab it from between my toes. Come grab it from between my toes.
What the fuck?
Ah, she grabbed my toes.
Only because you have the sauce.
Fetish.
Has anyone got any chips they want to donate over this way? Actually, no.
There's so many flies around your feet. Getting shot of your smelly feet, bro.
Okay,
He looks like 50.
my spoils from today.
I did
some
the crunchy.
chocolates and some Christmas biscuits.
I did the crunchy.
Is that just for you?
We need some tomato sauce to go with that, buddy.
Nope. Pure mayo.
Dip it in. Oh, yep, eat it. Yeah. Can you figure out a way to put your feet in the shot?
Oh!
Bread?
Is that actually
Alright,
enjoying
what are you
that?
most looking forward to in New Zealand?
All the cheeky babes.
That's what you want me to do. Nah, I'm doing my own thing.
Is your nipple hard?
Yeah.
I can see that.
Yeah.
That's crazy work. What am I recording right now?
A pie, horsey.
Who farted? Who fucking farted? Was that you, Blake? This is a crazy shot. Get your foot out of the frame.
I'm big.
Even better.
No jet ski for you.
No one's buying a jet ski.
Damn, was that cold?
That was cold.
Is that chili? Is that
Wait, let's pose. Wait, pose. Wait, don't drop me yet. Pose. Wait, watch out. Let's all pose. Are you ready?
What? Oh, that was cold. That's low-key cold.
Can you record
Little piss boy, little piss boy.
Oh, we got a genus. Genus, you have a genus.
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 Hey! This is an expensive tech, bro.
Oh, look at your shirt. You're wet.
Feet camp.
No, that's actually dry.
Holy!
Get it.
We're talking. Late nights in the middle of
Stop moving, stop moving. Wait. I need a shot.
It's like wine making.
Basically. That's not that deep. Just make sure that the center is safe.
Slip behind you, please.
Bro is a copycat.
Look, your motor already fucking falling apart.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Cody's hiding behind people being
Are you throwing sand at him?
You threw stand at me.
No, that's the Santa.
No, it's crazy.
Get up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's... Oh. He looks pissed.
Guys, stop, Lana.
You're adding too much at a time.
It's working.
It's a brown rain.
Pride and proud.
Are you furry?
Fucking let go.
Are the allegations true? Are you furry?
Yes.
How do you feel about this?
A-okay.
King.